welcome back to a new video. In today's one, I'm wearing my glasses, so I'm looking extra nerdy, and that's also the reason why I made the camera smaller, and because I'm not really the focus of the video. Anyway, with that said, this is the third video in my Python series, and today I'm just gonna write some code that I wrote earlier. Very short function, and it's kind of World Cup themed. Um, Score update again, France against Spain. So yeah, with that said, just gonna get into it. Bam. And then we're gonna attach a value to each team. Spain 0, France 0. And I just gotta say right now there will most likely be a lot of typos from me, because it's completely dark in the room and my keyboard is completely dark as well. So yeah, and then after attaching the value to each team, we gotta change it because the score updates, right? And in my mind, the game will end 1-1, so that's what we're going for today. And the reason why we type non-local is, as I've understood it, it confirms that this is a kind of string or thread, that it's all paired together. Um, and then update it like that. So now we've changed. Now we've changed Spain, and now we're gonna do the same thing with France. Okay, change two. Again, non-local, and then what we wanna. After non-local, you type what you wanna change. Ooh, if this is my vision with my glasses, you don't wanna know what it's like without it. I can tell you that much. Yeah, France. Score updated to 1. And then, bam, we have to line it up the same amount of spaces. Um, Change, bam, wrong, bam. And then pretty sure that's it. Change 2, connected to this one, of course. Um, and now print. Also, think about that, of course. Python is case sensitive, so there's a difference between a big P for print or a small one. Y'all probably already know that, but in case you're even newer than me, um, and then the reason why we write it like this. Okay, so here I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. So here we create the function. We attach a value to each team. Let's say Spain scores. This is how you write an update for that. So Spain's new value is now 1. France's new value is now 1. And then you write this to run it, I'm pretty sure. You gotta attach the same amount of spaces, and then change 2. And then print Spain dot, and then these symbols. The reason why we do that is because the score, if we didn't include this one here, the score would be 1-1. Now the score is going to be 1, and then this symbol, and then 1, like it always is, or like how you should write it. Otherwise, it would just be 2 1s in a row. Um, So yeah, and also obviously you gotta have the dots to split it up, of course. And then we ended off with just match, like uh, like I named it up here. And y'all won't be able to see when I run it because I connected the screen recording to only this tab. Um, but I can add a little comment. This is what I meant with the symbols, by the way. So that's one thing that I kind of had to learn, that if those were not included, um, it wouldn't come out. The result wouldn't be this. The results would be this instead. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. That's the short amount of code that I wrote today. But I'm slowly but surely getting a hang of it. I'm just looking forward to improving. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Please leave some tips for me down below, because I can't really give you any, even if you're a complete beginner. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. See you on the next one.